Hey friends, welcome to today's episode. So, we're so lucky being based here in El Paso because we generally have very kind of mild weather, but I'm sure all of you out there in those cold weather climates are looking forward to the warmth and the awakening of spring. So today, we're going to be sharing 3 of my favorite cocktails in the spirit of making hosting easy and accessible. All of our cocktails today are based on Limeade as a foundation, and they all only have 3 ingredients. Also, all 3 of the cocktails that we're making today can be batched, so you can do all that heavy lifting, all that preparation before your gathering so that you're ready to just be a host when your guests arrive. So let's make some cocktails. Our first cocktail for today is one that I created inspired by one of my favorite childhood drinks. So I'm sure we're all familiar with Sonic. Well, I was a big high school band geek, and there was a Sonic right down the road from my high school. So every Monday night after band rehearsal, we would go to Sonic's and have a cherry lime. So I'm sure you all know that famous Sonic cherry lime with the crushed ice. So we're gonna do a cocktail, and like I said, you can batch it so you can make it ahead of time. And this is also a recipe that's very easy to scale. So if you wanted to make a large batch, no problem. So simple ingredients, we have 2 cups of vodka, we have 2 cups of Simply Limeade. So 2 of our recipes today use Simply Limeade, which is the liquid, and then another recipe that we're doing uses Frozen Limeade. But for this, we have 2 cups vodka, 2 cups Simply Limeade, and 3/4 cups of maraschino cherry juice. So let's put all this together. Okay, make sure you shake your limeade before you add it to your mixture. All right, once you have all your ingredients in your container, and I'm using a carafe, you can use literally anything. You can use a plastic container. I've even seen people that use recycled liquor bottles to do their batch cocktails into, but just stir it up really good. Probably want to give it a stir before you serve it. And then you can just pop this in the fridge and it is ready to go when your guests arrive. So let's serve this. So in the true spirit of the Sonic Cherry Lime, you've got to use crushed ice. So also in the spirit of the Consummate Host, I never follow a traditional serving glass for cocktails. So I have these really fun hand-painted, they're actually white wine glasses, and I'm gonna use this to serve my cherry limeade in. So let's add our crushed ice. All right, so we've got our glass full of crushed ice. Now all we have to do is pour in our batched cherry lime cocktail mix. And then I created these fun little garnishes using maraschino cherries and a slice of lime. So we're gonna add that. And then our final touch is a straw. So there's the first of our 3 cocktails that we're doing today using Simply Limeade and Frozen Limeade. Let's move on to number 2. Okay, so our second cocktail for today is a take on the classic Frozen Margarita, but we're gonna take it up a notch and we're gonna be doing a spicy Frozen Margarita. The nice thing is you can use the exact same recipe to make a classic. We're just gonna add in a little bit of jalapeño, and instead of using salt on the rim of our glass, we're gonna use Tajín. So with this particular recipe, we're going to be using a cup of white tequila, a 1/2 cup of triple sec or orange liqueur, and 1 12-ounce can of Frozen Limeade. Let's put it together all in the blender, and then we top it off with ice and blend away. Let's do it. So as I said, we're gonna do a variation making this a spicy margarita. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take a jalapeno pepper and we're going to cut it in half. So you wanna use half of a jalapeno pepper. So once you've cut your pepper in half, go ahead and use your knife and get all those veins and seeds out because we don't want to make it extra spicy. So we'll take those out. Then we're going to cut this up into our muddler. We're going to muddle it and then we're going to add it to our mixture. All right, so there's our half of jalapeno, no seeds, no veins. Let's cut that up. Now we're gonna muddle it. Perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our muddled jalapeno to our liquid ingredients, blend that first, and then add the ice. All right, now that we have it nice and blended, we're gonna go ahead and add our ice. So as I mentioned, instead of using salt, which is for a traditional margarita on the rim of our glass, we're gonna be using Tajín. So let's go ahead and just get some lime on the edge of our glass. I love using Tajín. Not only does it taste great, but it's such a beautiful color. So we've got the Tajín on the rim of our glass. Let's go ahead and finally, we're gonna go ahead and do a lime wheel. And there we have our spicy take on the traditional margarita. Let's make our last cocktail. Okay, so our third and final cocktail for today is a frozen take on a very traditional and classic cocktail, the Mojito. So what we're gonna need, again, 3 simple ingredients. You're gonna need 1 full bottle of Simply Limeade, 52 ounces. You're going to need 1.5 cups of a clear rum of your choice. And then I'm gonna use the leaves off of 3 sprigs of mint. So you can make it kind of minty to taste, however you wanna do it, but that's how I'm gonna do it. So let's put our ingredients together. So once we've blended everything together, we're gonna take our last little piece of mint and use that as a garnish. And there we have our slushy Mojito. Just a reminder, if your blender is smaller, you can always scale the recipe down, cut it in half, just keep the same proportions, and do a smaller batch size. But if you do have a larger blender, it's awesome to be able to batch this, and again, you're ready to serve multiple people at your gatherings. So enjoy. Thank you so much for joining us today. As always, hopefully we've given you some ideas and inspirations to bring to your own hosting table. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make yourself a cocktail, have a toast, and we'll see you in our next episode.
Your